Hello everyone, welcome back to Himabindu Angal Kurti's channel. I want to say big thanks to all the subscribers. We have reached 400 plus subscribers in just 10 days. You guys 400 subscribers. This means a lot to me, and in case if you're new to this channel, I'll post fun family videos on every Wednesday and DIY garden and home makeovers every Saturday. So subscribe to the channel and let's get into today's video. In today's video, I'll show you a simple project which can be done including beginners. And I have a fun little surprise at the end of this video, which my little one turned 8 months on February 19th, which was yesterday. And I've added some photos in this video. So stay tuned until the end of this video. All you need for this project is a simple glass bottle and a jute twine. I took a 3mm jute twine, and you can use any size you have. I'll be working from the bottom to the top. Now take your glue gun and apply generous amount of glue to the twine and to the bottom center of the bottle. Wait for a second until the twine sticks to the bottle. Now add the glue in the circular direction and continue the same process until you finish the base of the bottle. I removed the excess glue at the end of the project. Once I finished the base part, I've added some glue up front to the bottle so the twine stick to the bottle, and also I'm adding some texture to the bottle. I'll finish until the middle and see you there. Once you reach the neck of the bottle, I will be going really slow because my twine is slipping from the bottle. I finished all the way to the top. Once I've reached to the very top, I've added some glue inside the bottle and tucked the excess twine inside to get the smooth finishing. I'm totally in love with the way it turned out. It's okay to have some gaps in the middle as it only adds some texture to the bottle. Now I want to draw some branches on the bottle. For that, I took a peach color and then I painted it with freehand. I took size 1 brush to get the look that I want for the branches. I've got these buttons from Amazon and I'll add the links in the description box down below. I'm adding heart-shaped buttons as the leaves of the branches and star-shaped buttons as the flowers of the branches. I absolutely love how it turned out. And I've added some flowers to this beautiful vase.